Niagara Waterfall. Niagara Waterfall is one of the most beautiful and powerful waterfall in the world. It is located on the border of Canada and the United States of America, between Ontario, Canada, and New York, USA. This natural wonder attracts millions of visitors every year because of its breathtaking beauty and roaring sounds. Niagara waterfall is not just one waterfall, it is made of three waterfalls. First one, Horseshoe Falls, the largest on the Canadian side, American Falls, Bridal Veils Falls. Together, these waterfalls create an unforgettable sight, especially when huge volume of water fall with great force into the Niagara River. The history of Niagara Waterfall was found around about 12,000 years ago at the end of the last ice age. As glacier melted, massive amount of water flowed and graved the land, creating this incredible waterfall over thousands of years. The falls slowly moved backward due to erosion, shaping the landscape we see today. The name Niagara is believed to come from a indigenous word thundering water. Meaning thundering waters, Native American tribes respected this place and considered it scared because of its power and natural beauty. One of the most amazing things about Niagara Falls is its power. Every second, more than 3,000 tons of water flow over the falls. This water is used to generate hydroelectric power, supplying electricity to large parts of the Canada and the USA. It shows how nature not only amazes but also supports human beings. The height of the Niagara Falls, in fact, is not the tallest one, but is one of the most powerful. Horseshoe Falls height is almost 188 feet. This is the tallest and most powerful part of Niagara Falls. American Falls height is 110 feet. Rock debris at the base reduce the invisible drop. Bridal Wheel Falls height almost 78 feet. The width of the waterfall, Horseshoe Falls, width almost 2,590 feet. American Falls, width almost 1,050 feet. Bridal Wheel Falls, almost 56 feet. Water flow and volume, Niagara Falls is one of the highest flow rate of any waterfall on the earth. Average water flow 2400 cubic meter per second. Peak daytime flow to rest hours up to 1,68,000 cubic meter per minute. Over 90% of the water flows over Horseshoe Falls. The speed of the the Niagara waterfall over the edge at about 9 meter per second. This is nearly 32 kilometer per hour, 20 miles per hour. The falling water creates constant mist visible from kilometers away. The freezing point of a Niagara waterfall never fully freeze. It extreme winters and ice bridge forms at the base, mist freeze on the trees and rocks. In Quran, Surah Al Imran, Ayat 190, indicate in the creation of the heavens and the earth are signs for those who reflect. सूरत आल इमरान आयत 190 में अल्लाह ताला फरमाता है, बेशक आसमानों और ज़मीन की पैदाइश में अक्ल रखने वालों के लिए बहुत सी निशानियां हैं।